In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log calls in Pipedrive. Keeping a clean call history is essential for staying on top of your deals and relationships, and this quick workflow will make sure every conversation is captured and easy to find later. Start by opening the record you want to work with. From your Pipedrive workspace, head to Deals, if the call relates to a specific opportunity, or to Contacts if it was a general conversation with a person or organization. Click into the relevant person or deal so you're logging the call exactly where it belongs. This keeps your timeline accurate and ensures teammates see the full context in one place. Once you're in the right record, click Add Activity. Activities are Pipedrive's way of tracking interactions and to-dos, and calls are one of the most important. You'll usually find the Add Activity button near the top or on the right panel of the page. Opening this panel sets you up to register the call with the right details. When the activity window opens, choose Call as the activity type. Selecting Call matters because it organizes your work for reporting and filters, making it faster to review your call history and outcomes later on. You'll see fields update to match what you typically need for a phone conversation. Now enter your call details. Set the date and time so it's accurate for either when the call happened or when it's scheduled to happen. In the Notes field, write what was discussed. Focus on key points such as the purpose of the call, any objections or needs that were mentioned, decisions made, and any immediate next steps you agreed on. Clear notes help you and your team remember exactly what happened without digging through emails. You can also add the outcome if you want, such as connected, left voicemail, or successful. While this field is optional, it's helpful for measuring performance and spotting trends over time. If the call already happened, check mark as done. This tells Pipedrive the activity is complete, which keeps your task list clean and prevents unnecessary reminders. If you're scheduling a future call, leave this unchecked so it remains on your to-do list. Click Save to finish. Your call will now be recorded and linked to the selected deal or contact. You can view the call in the activity timeline on that same record. This timeline acts as your running history, so you can quickly scan past touchpoints. If you spot something to adjust, simply open the activity to edit the details. And that's it. You've logged the call in Pipedrive, keeping your pipeline organized and your follow-ups clear. Thanks for watching.